you guys, welcome back to Grinning Days, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and white smiles. Today's video is all about meditation. When we're shooting this, today is Sunday winter morning and now is the best time to discuss about meditation. See, आप Google पे देखोगे ना तो meditation की definition would be like meditation is a practice where individual uses mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular thought activity to train attention and awareness to gain mentally calm and emotionally stable state. Quite a long definition, but meditation is deeper than that. Meditation is powerful than that. See, we have survived 2020 और हम सब ने देखा है how 2020 was, where every other person was talking about mental health, depression, anxiety, fear, and how meditation can help you guys to reduce all of those things. So we know the benefits of meditation. I'm not going to talk about that because every Instagram post, Facebook post have talked enough. I'm going to give you some reality check that how I started and how I face difficulties and how I overcome it. See, I am still learning. I can do meditation for about an hour and a half. So it's just heart to heart conversation where I'm going to tell you about meditation, where what kind of meditation I do and what kind of difficulties I have faced. So in case if you're planning to give up on meditation, I'll make sure that you won't. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing about meditation is your body is going to resist. See, हमारे बॉडी और नेचर का ना एक बहुत ही बेसिक सा नेचर है कि हम कोई भी नई चीज़ स्टार्ट करते हैं ना तो नेचर इज़ गोइंग टू रेजिस्ट, योर बॉडी इज़ गोइंग टू रेजिस्ट. सी, बहुत ही बेसिक एग्जांपल है. जब हम हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं या फिर डिसाइड करते हैं कि कल से ना डाइट करना है, कल से ना जिम में जाना है, तो सडनली वी गेट कॉल्ड फॉर सो मेनी बर्थडे पार्टीज, सो मेनी फंक्शंस एंड वी स्किप दैट पार्ट. So meditation is also like that. The moment you start doing meditation, thousands of thoughts are going to come, millions of thoughts are going to come. So just observe them, don't get involved into it, let them pass through your mind and just don't get involved into those thoughts. Observe them and it's going to happen. You know, thoughts आने वाले हैं, बहुत past, future, present में ही आप रहोगे starting में, but just don't give up on meditation. The second thing about meditation is that it will show you your worst part. See, I have done meditation where I have cried, where I have laughed so hard. Yeah, it's going to happen, you know. मैंने एक बुक में पढ़ा था that meditation is like a dirty mirror. उस मिरर पे ना बहुत धूल रहती है एंड हम जब वो साफ करते हैं तो वो सारी धूल हमारे चेहरे पे आ जाती है. दैट धूल इज योर बैड पार्ट, दैट धूल इज योर अनकाइंड बिहेवियर, योर अग्रेसिव नेचर, योर लेजीनेस. Every bad part that you have, meditation will show you. So just don't worry if that meditation is going to make you aggressive, frustrated. It's going to happen. You know, meditation will show you your worst part and it is the first step for meditation, that you are going to reflect yourself, you are going to evaluate yourself. So just don't worry about that. Okay, so third thing about meditation is nature and music is going to help. See, when मेडिटेशन करते वक्त ना जब आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे थॉट्स आएंगे, थाउजेंड्स, मिलियंस, पास्ट के बारे में, फ्यूचर के बारे में, प्रेजेंट के बारे में, सो म्यूजिक एंड नेचर इज़ द ओनली थिंग विच विल ब्रिंग यू बैक फ्रॉम फ्यूचर, विच विल ब्रिंग यू बैक फ्रॉम पास्ट. जब भी बहुत सारे थॉट्स आने लग जाएंगे ना तो नेचर के साउंड्स, म्यूजिक will always bring you back to the present. So yeah, music and nature plays a very important role. So fourth thing about meditation is that it's going to be hard. See, हमने ना बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल ने, मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस पेज पे, इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट पे, हर जगह पढ़ा है कि मेडिटेशन कितना पीसफुल है, कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. So just come back from that fairyland because it's going to be hard. Because you know what, I have learned that thing about meditation. In getting you where you want to be, meditation may show you that you don't want to see. It is going to be so hard that you will see your dark part, you will see your dark and deepest secrets. So it is going to be hard. It's not going to be peaceful or beautiful at start, but believe me, there will be so much of peace, happiness at the end of the meditation once you have learned it. Okay, so last thing about meditation is peace is waiting for you. See, हमें ना आज हम बहुत फास्ट पेस वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं जहाँ एक क्लिक से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें देख सकते हैं, लोगों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पहुँच गए, बट वी डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर आवर सेल्व्स, वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू सिट विद आवर सेल्व्स टू calm down that storm going inside our head. So believe me, it's just zero investment practice, it's just zero investment process where you don't have to do anything, where you don't have to put so much of your power money into anything, and but believe me, you will gain so much of peace, happiness at the end of the it. So please, please, please don't give up on yourself, don't give up on your purpose, don't give up on your meditation. Okay, I know it's lot. Okay, but to do a meditation for about an hour is a lot, and there are different types of meditation like visualization meditation, mantra meditation, mindfulness meditation. And so many other stuffs. It just depends on you कि आपके लिए क्या comfortable है, आपके लिए क्या अच्छा है. You just need to do that kind of meditation and don't go for about an hour कि नहीं 1 घंटे के लिए करना है. No, it's not necessary. Start with 5 minutes, start with 10 minutes, and you know there is this old saying कि अगर आप बहुत बिजी हो ना, लाइक प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट, देन यू नीड टू डू मेडिटेशन फॉर 20 minutes. Otherwise, if you're a normal person and not so busy person, then you need to do meditation for about an hour. So just imagine ki how important meditation is. So start with 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, and just like that, just grow from there. And believe me, there is this infinite amount of peace, happiness, content, kindness, love, which is waiting for you at the end of the meditation. So in case if you're planning to give up on yourself, in case if you're planning to give up on meditation, in case if you're planning to give up on purpose, then please don't, because there is that peace, happiness and content which is waiting for you. And see you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading some good vibes and white smiles, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, leave a comment below, like this video and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye.